my 2004 Sportster 883 after installing Hooker Troublemaker pipes. Looks a heck of a lot better, if I do say so myself. Putting them on was pretty much a cinch, pretty straightforward. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Also rejetted the carburetor. Still got a little backfire. I replaced the pilot jet only with a size 45 from a 42. Still tuning in the airflow mixture a little bit. You heard that little backfire. That's what I'm trying to get rid of. Overall, sounds a lot meaner. Screaming Eagle still sounded really good. Hope you enjoyed it.